Find something to stand on. It could be a stack of books, a stair, or a stool. And if you need help with balance, then definitely have a wall or something to hold yourself up with. Before you start, you want to make sure that you have perfect posture. Inhale and exhale, ribs down, no gripping with the ribs or abs, and just stand nice and tall. Do not let your pelvis rock from front to back. Think about lowering your hip down to the floor. And this lowering occurs by lengthening the glutes. The knees do not bend, it stays straight for the duration of this exercise. And don't tip forwards towards the floor. Don't let your hip flexors take over. We are trying to lengthen through the glute medius muscle and then squeezing to make it come back up. It is going to burn if you're doing it properly. It is also going to work on your core control and balance as well. So give it a shot and see if one side is harder than the other. And don't let your cheater muscles kick in. The leg that is down should not be doing a thing, it should be totally relaxed.